Today we're at the Villages. We're at Fiesta Bowl. Full transparency, none of us have bowled since we bowled at the Spanish Springs lanes. What a fun day. I had the best game of my life, and then we blew out 2 bowling shoes. We also, my dad and I, have not bought bowling shoes either. I think they do have a pro shop here, so if they have some, might go ahead and make that purchase. If not, we'll just use whatever they've got. But we have not bowled in about 2 years, so we are going to see how good we do, and didn't really realize this was even, I mean, I guess we've passed by it. It's by the Target over here.
Yeah.
I just never gone in it, but it's got pretty good rating. And then the, what is it, Bolero? It's
Bolero?
Bolero. I think they own most of them now, because if you go to the website, you can actually reserve a lane, and then you can also see their deals. So anyway, we're gonna go in and see what it's like. Let's go check it out. All right, so let's wipe the dust off the bag here. And my shoes are still in here that are just demolished. Fiesta Bowl. They have the pub next door, which we've never been to. And then what are the hours? Timber, what are the hours here? Monday 9 to 12, Tuesday 9 to 10, Wednesday 9 to 10, Thursday 9 to 10, Friday 12 to 12, Saturday 12 to 12, Sunday 9 to 9. And look at this. It actually resembles the other one as well, the Spanish Springs one. Look very similar. Seems to be a pretty busy day. How many lanes we got? 32 lanes. And a look at the pub through here. Again, I'm not sure on pricing. I also am not sure where the pro shop is. I think it said the pro shop was open today. Oh, it's right here. We'll go to the pro shop first, see what we can find, and then check out pricing. Let's see. What do we got? Pricing and promotion. The pro shop. Here are the hours. Open 12 to 4 on Saturday. They do have some shoes in there. I just don't know if they'll have any that fit me. Here are some of the options for men. They also have women, and then they also have balls and bags you can choose from. So we're looking at these, which in stock they don't have the size, but they do have large sizes in these. So we'll probably order some.
So on that flyer mesh, the one in the middle, the
Yep.
black and charcoal,
Yep.
they've got 8 pairs of 13s, 3 pairs of 14s, and 2 pairs of 15s.
Ooh. All right. Timber's never owned a pair of shoes before for bowling. You're thinking those?
Sure, they're going to be the same
Those
shoe
good?
too. So
Oh yeah, they're like those. And he's gonna order some 15s
none of the blues in the higher.
and 14s.
Only the
So I am a 15, my dad's a 14, my brother's a 14. It's very hard to find shoes. So they didn't in that size, but he said everybody loves these that are like slippers. So Timber's gonna try either the gray or the black.
Yeah, I'll try an 8, please.
Thank you, you too. Nice, Timber, you got you some. Yeah, so like $50, if you bowl a lot, and they're like $6 or $7 for shoes, it pays for itself. And then you have to prepay for games. What's the price per game? How much, is that just for 2 games? Mm-hmm. So it's $72 for 4 people for 2 games and 2 shoes. It's a little pricey. So they just put us at 20, which is right in the middle of everybody else when there's a bunch of open lanes. So far, this place isn't as good as the other one, as the Spanish Springs. That's one thing I can't stand. Why put us, I mean, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, and we're at 20 when there's a ton of open lanes? The pro shop is ran differently than the front of the bowling alley, and the guy in the pro shop was awesome. He was very friendly. Guy up front of the bowling alley, not the friendliest. So we'll see. Hopefully we can have a good score. Lacing up the new ones. He said be a little careful on the first few throws because they're brand new, but those look nice. Right here at lane number 20. Again, all crammed in here. All right, time to bring the ball here and get it all cleaned up again.
That was no fun.
And if you don't have a ball, over here are where the balls are. And they do have restrooms over on this far end. Here are some right here. They have some lockers, but Timber, next time I said you're gonna have to buy a ball. The guy said he can order like princess balls and different cool designs. So we'll have to look into that sometime. But so what they're doing with the shoes in there, they can order them, and you don't pay for them until you try them on and you want them. If they don't fit, they'll send them back and order you another pair, and then if they fit, you buy them. Also, do they have, I guess the food is just down here. You use the bar or the, I don't know. Oh, never mind. Here's a menu. Let's just show you a quick overview of the menu. We're not going to get any food today. I can't believe how expensive it was. The bowling.
How much was it?
$70.
$70 a bowl?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I missed the like dollar games. There's the menu. All right. Type in the name and then press V or press that to go down. To start the game, press that. You also have the option for bumpers. Order of operation. My mom, Timber, me, my dad. Let's see what happens out here. Timber's first time with her shoes here. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Let's act like this is her first time bowling with the new shoes. Let's not. All right, I'm honestly pretty pumped about that. Unfortunately, when you don't bowl in like a couple years, you get a little rusty. I got lucky there, but overall, everybody's a little rusty. Oh, it's hard to adjust with the shoes. Let's restart and just see if this is better. Now, there we go. There we go. All right, let's just blame it on the new shoes here. She definitely needs to get her own bowling ball. She actually like tore some of her fingernail too, so got some bowler's tape on that finger. I'm not even kidding. So far, I don't know what's going on. There he goes, he's back. Oh, I can't see what happened. Oh. We're gonna try not to film for a little bit, see if maybe that'll help us all out here. There you go. Woo. So I had one of my little finger holes fly out on the lane, and the guy in the pro shop was really nice and got it glued up for me. 15-second glue. Gotta get some powder on the hand. I wiped off the ball since lost the little holes. We are going to ignore the scores for now and just say this first game is just a practice until we can start getting into it. Oh, better. We are getting close to being done with game one here. We're in the 9th, so we'll see what happens. Some low scores today, heading into the 10th frame.
Speak for yourself.
Well,
To break 100 for me is a big score.
it's the shoes, dude.
That's right.
You got the new shoes. But we're heading into the 10th frame. All right, we are finishing up the 10th here, and then we'll have one more game left. Round 2, let's see if we can all start off better now that we've got our practice in. Oh yeah, that's much better. Get in there. Oh, look at these shoes. What a deal, honestly. If you're looking for some bowling shoes, I'd recommend coming to this pro shop here and getting them. Let's see what we got. There we go. Starting off strong. Don't split it. Got lucky. Overall, we're all doing a little better. Overall, it's taken about a game and a half for us to finally start getting our groove back.
No.
Oh, you lost your groove, Tember?
Yeah.
Let's see, yep, got it back. Even though it was crowded, the people next to us were really nice. They also have some unlimited bowling weekly specials. They have some parties there. So my dad and I are just gonna bowl one more game. And then just so you know, I was thinking you had to repay for shoes, but you don't. So you just pay for games. So it's about $20 for 2 people. So it's about $10 per game. It definitely goes really fast with 2 people. Curve in there. It actually really calmed down now. I'm gonna do one more, and you just have to contact the front in order for them to get you another game if you already bowled your normal amount. That was a lot of fun. I still think I like Spanish Springs overall better than Fiesta Bowl. We are heading back outside now. That was our trip out to Fiesta Bowl here in the Villages. So overall, the guy in the pro shop, very helpful, was awesome, loved it. Originally, the first person up front, not the friendliest and didn't really give us any direction. And then they put us like right in the middle of everything. And the crazy thing was the entire time we bowled, none of the other lanes were used. No. But the lady that ended up going into her shift was very nice. She was awesome. Overall, I still like Spanish Springs better, but the pro shop here is awesome, and I will be picking up some shoes in a few days. And you got your shoes. You finally have some bowling shoes. We all started off very, very rusty, which rightfully so. Not bowling in 2 years or whatever it was is, I mean, that's tough to come back from. But towards the end, somewhat got better and started to feel a little bit normal. But the bowling shoes that you rent are not that good, so it was kind of hard to get used to that. But either way, it gives you a place. If you're not a golfer, or maybe you are a golfer and you like bowling, another option for you here. Sometime we'll have to try the pub, but anyway, we just wanted to do bowling again. So I think we're gonna call it. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.